Let me show you how to make a mojito mocktail, sugar-free, gluten-free. It's perfect for kids, families, super simple, and you're saving around 300 calories, not using sugar. So I use mojito flavor bolero. What I do, I take a little, you can make this in a bigger batch, like in a jar or something. At the moment, I'm just gonna use this little glass. I put a tiny little bit. Don't forget, this is a concentrated flavor. Fill it up with soda. Add a bit of ice. Stir it. Decorate it with fresh mint. Just have a little on the top. Chuck it in. And a bit of lime. A couple of slices. Just for decoration. The mojito flavor has all the lime and all the mint flavor mixed together. And here you are. That's your mojito mocktail. Cheers!